Namaste students. Today we are going to study about the divisions of body in leech. So in last class we studied about the external apertures present in leech, that is the mouth, anus, nephridiopore, male genital pore and the female genital pore. So here in this diagram you have the position of those external apertures. Next, we study about the divisions of the body. So, divisions of the body. The body of the leech is divided into 6 regions: cephalic region, preclitellar region, middle region, and caudal region. And finally, you have the posterior circles. So, what is cephalic region? The segments, you already know that leech body has 33 segments. In that, first 5 segments constitute the cephalic region. So 1 to 5th, that is wherever the oral sucker is present, that region is considered as a cephalic region. Next comes the preclitellar region, that is 6th segment, 7th segment and 8th segment is called as preclitellar region. Then the next 3, that is 9th, 10th and 11th segment constitute the clitellar region. So, do you remember children, this clitellum will be present here in this region only. So, next is the middle region. If you take the body of the leech, the middle position will be occupied by 12th to 22nd segments. So, this region is called as middle region. So, the next one is the caudal region. So 23rd to 26th segments, they are called as caudal region. And finally you have 27th to 33rd segments, we call it as posterior sucker. So what is clitellum? It is an external structure. It is formed during the season of breeding and cocoons will be produced. From the cocoons a new leech will be produced. So that clitellar region is mentioning that clitellum only. So wherever that 6th, 7th, 8th is preclitellar region and 9, 10, 11 is the clitellar region. Next we are going to see about the body wall of leech. So what is the body wall of leech? So we know that our body consists of our skin. So if you study deep about our skin, you will be having the epidermal hair, and then the layer, the dead cells. Underneath you have the live cells with different layers. Same way the body of leech also has different layers. That is, the first one is called cuticle. So cuticle is the outermost layer, as we have studied in our plant plants also, in the stem, root and all. So like that, here in our leech body also you have the outermost layer called cuticle. Then under the cuticle you have the epidermis. It lies below the cuticle. Then the next layer below the epidermis lies the dermis layer. Then so this dermis layer is made up of connective tissue. This dermis layer is made up of connective tissue. Next comes the muscular layer. Under the dermis layer, you have longitudinal and circular muscles. So, this muscular layer is formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. Under this muscle layer, you have botryoidal tissue which lies beneath the longitudinal muscles. And this botryoidal tissue also fills the entire coelom around the gut. That is, coelom means body cavity. So around the body cavity, the full body is fully covered with this botryoidal tissue. So what are the body walls of the leech? First one is a cuticle, which is the outermost layer. Under the cuticle you have the epidermis, which lies below the cuticle, and the dermis lies below the epidermis and is made up of the connective tissue, and the muscular layer is formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. The botryoidal tissue lies beneath the longitudinal muscles and it fills the entire coelom around the gut. So this is all about the body of the leech. Thank you, children.